Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. My name is Shiv and welcome to Crypto India. It's a Ganesh Chaturthi today and the very first day, and there's a lot of celebration happening around. There's a lot of excitement because it's going to be 9 days of celebration, and people are really excited, and so am I. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you, and I wish you all a very very happy and prosperous year ahead. And so this is a great day actually to start talk about prosperity. So let's talk about our prosperity today, because cryptocurrency has brought in a lot of prosperity to a lot of people around the globe. So let's get right into it. So I wanted to talk to you guys about the coin market cap today, which is like the rates, obviously, in India, in terms of dollar and rupees. So while I'm looking at it, Bitcoin is trading at about 4,300. So it's gone up by $200 since yesterday, and one of the reason would be is because we have segregated witness, which is being implemented, and that has taken the price up right now for Bitcoin. And so is Ethereum is up today again by $20, which is trading at about 334 US dollar. Bitcoin Cash is $636. Ripple is 22 cents. If you talk about Dash, I have not spoken to you guys much about Dash, guys, but Dash is a really nice currency. I mean, it is been growing rapidly. The time from the time I know about Dash, Dash was trading at about 80, and it touched $100, and they had a celebration. But as of today, they are trading at about 315 US dollars, so not bad at all. So these are the few cryptocurrencies that you guys should definitely close eyes on, uh, because these are not just the Bitcoin, but these alternate currencies will have a significant role to play in future. So if you are holding any of them, uh, very nice. I mean, I would congratulate to you guys for that. So I'm looking at the ZPay right now. It's trading at about 2,84,324. So not bad. I mean, just before yesterday, it was trading at 2,70,000. So uh, yeah. So overall, it looks pretty good, pretty nice, and the total market cap as of now has crossed about $150 billion for cryptocurrencies. So I mean, we were talking about 100 billion about a couple of months back, and today we have crossed 150 billion already. The cryptocurrency market in total, out of which 72 billion goes alone to Bitcoin. So can you see how big is Bitcoin itself? And then of course the number two is Ethereum with 31 billion market cap, and then number three is a surprise for everybody, which is $10 billion for market Bitcoin Cash. So and then Ripple is there on the number four. So I guess we are rapidly moving towards cryptocurrency era. I came across a new ICO which will be launched very soon, and this is called Banker. So what I'm doing, I'm completely closely looking at these ICOs, for the reason being they definitely have a huge potential in future, because this is what my belief, my opinion is. Going ahead in future, you wouldn't only just be trading into Bitcoin, or you wouldn't just be trading into Ethereum or Neo. There'll be a hell lot of cryptocurrencies, probably about 10, 20, or maybe more, and they will all have their significant value and roles. So it is really important to have a look at the cryptocurrency market very closely and watch the development. Yeah, so it's very important that we study this market and we keep a close eye on our funds and the new ICO which are coming up. So we are ready for the to make the best out of it, to make the best out of this evolution which has started. So with that, I would like to end this video, and I want to wish you all again a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. If you're in India, you know what I'm talking about, and have a very prosperous year ahead. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, guys, to this channel. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you so much, and have peace.